In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with BMO Harris 2025. We'll start right from your web browser, search for BMO Harris, and head to the official BMO site. From the homepage, navigate to the online banking area. This ensures you're in the right place to open an account securely. Once there, look for the checking and savings section, then choose bank accounts to see all available options. You'll see several checking choices. Smart Advantage. Checking is a popular everyday account. Smart money. Checking can be great if you're looking for budgeting simplicity. Relationship checking is typically designed for higher balances with added perks. Take a moment to skim the features on the page and pick the account that fits your needs, then click Open Now to begin the application. Before moving on, you may be asked if you want to bundle a savings builder account with your checking account. Choose yes or no based on whether you want to open a savings account alongside your checking. When you're ready, click Continue. Next, enter your contact information. Provide your legal name, a valid email address says you check frequently, and a phone number where you can receive verification messages if needed. Add your residential address, including any apartment or unit details, your city, state, and zip code. Make sure this matches your identification to avoid any delays. You'll also enter your date of birth. You'll be asked for your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. This is standard for identity verification and to comply with banking regulations. Then select your citizenship status and your employment status. These questions help the bank meet legal requirements and tailor services to you. Now choose your debit card style if you'd like one. If you don't want a debit card, check the box to opt out. You may also see the option to request complimentary checks. Select that if you need paper checks to get started. Choose whether this will be an individual account or a joint account. If you're opening a joint account, be ready for the co-applicant's details to be provided during the process. Review the disclosures, then check the box to agree to the terms and conditions after reading them carefully. If you have a promo code, indicate that and enter it exactly as provided. Finally, review your application for accuracy and click Submit Application. That's it. After submission, you may be prompted to verify your identity or receive instructions on the next steps. Keep an eye on your email for updates from BMO. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new checking account.